Hello, good evening. Welcome to this lesson, the Binance Mobile App interface overview. I'm sure at this stage you should have already downloaded the application, you should have signed up, and you should have done your user authentication. My name remains Giwa Oluwatobi, your trading coach, and this course is free for those who are new to the trading space. You know, so on this page where you can see a very brief welcoming. You can see your beginner's guide. You can buy here. You can buy crypto with cash via P2P or fiat. P2P means peer-to-peer. Fiat means your local currency. Now you can see a list of top performing cryptocurrencies here. There are more than this actually. It's just showing you top performing ones like for the past 24 hours or thereabout. So you can go to the pro homepage. There's a pro homepage for you if you're a top trader where you can see more details, saving, staking, Binance Pool. If you're new to this, that is not what you should be focusing on right now. You can see percentage changes of these cryptocurrencies here. So you can see some news here. So don't worry about all these things around. It doesn't really mean anything. So this is where Binance posts their latest news. Then down here, you can see the top gainers and losers. You can see some assets here. You can see trading pairs. This trading pairs means that you can trade these two currencies together. That's just what it basically means. So let's go back to our light on page for the sake of those that are just coming into this space. Now, to the top left here, it's where your account settings are. This is where you do your address verification and all. I mean, not address, rather your identity verification and every security detail, because the platform is super secure before you can. And if you want to scan barcodes or anything, you can come to this place or chat with support here. You can see down here, you can chat with support. You can scan your settings, messages, identity authentication, withdrawal address management, your fees, reward center, your referral ID. I get a lot of reward because I refer a lot of people because I have a lot of students. So you can also set your BNB. BNB is the coin owned by Binance. So if you have BNB, it reduces your trading fees. So it's a very simple, straightforward interface. I'll just be taking you around. So that icon here beside the search bar is to scan your barcode or anything if you want to log into the web or something, or you want to scan a wallet. You can easily use that on the go from your mobile app. The notification bell is where you get notifications of successful logins and any other thing Binance wants to update you on. So down here is the main menu. So if you go to market, these are the list of currencies on Binance. There are many cryptocurrencies on Binance. So you have the tab where you can add to your favorite. These are my favorite cryptocurrencies that I've been looking since the past year. So you can always add any new one to your favorite list. So I can go to anyone that I've added to my favorite list, like a CTSI, for instance. I tap it, and you see this top right star icon. If I tap it, it adds it automatically to the list of my favorite currencies. So I don't have to be searching for my currencies that I usually trade on every time. So you can see down there, it's appeared out there. So the market tab allows you to see at a glance what is going on in the market. You can see the prices of my favorite cryptocurrencies down here. You can see their percentage. Sorry, my big head is blocking you. So you can see here their percentage changes in the past 24-hour period. So the green here means that it actually the value has actually gone up. The red means that the value has actually dropped. That is what this simply means. You can see 24 hours change up here. So now you can decide to go to Bitcoins. Here under Bitcoins, you see only cryptocurrencies that are paired with Bitcoin. You can see everything is /BTC. So it allows you to filter the kind of cryptocurrencies you want to trade and allows you to see at a glance the list of all cryptocurrencies that are paired with Bitcoin. So for alt means altcoins, Ethereum and the likes. So you can see all currencies paired with Ethereum. So if you look at fiat, if you look at fiat means our local currency, and how you can use them to trade against the cryptocurrencies. So you can see BUSD, TUSD, those are stable coins that they are always pegged to the dollar. So we also have NGN there. You can see Naira. You can see Naira there. So if you want to trade with the Naira, you can just tap it. You see the list of cryptocurrencies that you can trade with the Naira. So once you tap Naira here, you can see BUSD NGN, BTC NGN. So if I want to trade one, that means one Bitcoin here. Let me circle that. That means one Bitcoin here is about 4.4 million naira, 147,000 naira. So you see cryptocurrencies real time in the naira value. That is for only the cryptocurrencies that you can trade with the naira. You notice that it's not all cryptocurrencies that you can trade with the naira. It depends on the demand. That is when Binance adds it to their platform. So you can see other currencies. So this is the market. You can always play around this place. For these futures, you can leave it for now. It's a no-go area for now. It's for futures trading, which is what I actually do. But now our focus here is spot trading. I can just start with basic trading. So if you come to trades, this is where the trading happens, real time. So to your top left, you can see spot, margin, fiat, P2P. Just leave margin, fiat, P2P for now. It will be explained in subsequent courses. Now, if I want to trade BTC USDT, this is where I come to, and you can also change the currency here. This video is not for placing trades. The video for placing trades is still coming up. So you can see, I can easily pick from the list of my favorite cryptocurrency. Let me choose Litecoin USDT, and I can enter the trade from here, from this interface. And to the right here, if you want to see the chart for Litecoin, you tap these two candle icons. You can see it's going to bring me to this interface where I can read the chart for Litecoin, and I can change the timing over here to see the price action movement. So this is a really, really robust interface, and it's beautiful. The aesthetics is really, really nice, and you can see the chart. So let's say you're a person that is good with technical and fundamental analysis. You can easily read the chart from here. If you scroll down, what you have on the left here is what you call this list of orders. What you have on the left here are the buy orders, real-time buying orders that are on the order book, while this one on the right here are the sell orders that are in the order book. You understand? So if you also want to read about any cryptocurrency that you're trading, you come to info here. You see the rank number 7. You see the market cap $2.9 billion. So you see a lot of things there. You can read about Litecoin and history and everything. Very, very beautiful interface. So let's say you want to create an alert, for instance. Now this is where you create alert. So I want to know when Litecoin reaches 0.55. So I create the alert. It adds it to the list of alerts. So when the price reaches that point, it gives you a notification on your phone. You understand? So it's pretty basically simple. This is where the trading happens. So when we begin to trade, we would come there. So these are your real-time sell orders at the top. These are your buy orders below here. This is the price in dollars, and this is the price in Bitcoin. Remember, we're trading Litecoins against a BTC. You understand? So these are the depth of trades, So it's a really, really beautiful interface. So from there, we move to the futures tab. Just leave this out for now. Futures is an advanced trading platform, and it's integrated with the mobile app as well. But let's leave that for now. So we come to our wallet. In your wallet here, you can see the list of cryptocurrencies and their balances. This one is currently hidden. So if you want to make it, viewable, you click the top right icon. You click this icon right here to make it viewable. So you can see if you want to deposit, this is where you come to. If you want to withdraw, this is where you come to. If you want to transfer, this is where you come to. So basically, You can't deposit naira on the mobile app, but you can deposit naira on the desktop interface. If you go to deposit now and you try to deposit naira, it's not going to allow you to prompt you to go to the desktop interface. So let's say I want to deposit 100,000 naira. You just tell me if I submit, selected channel is not supported on is only supported on desktop. Please complete the action using desktop. So you see, so you go back, but if you can deposit crypto, you can deposit crypto on this one. You can deposit crypto on this one. Crypto can be deposited. If you want to deposit crypto, for instance, I want to deposit bitcoins. I search it out here and choose BTC. So it shows me the address, so I can just say copy address, or I can save the QR code and send it to the person that wants to send bitcoins to me. So you can deposit cryptocurrency here, but you can't deposit fiat on the mobile app. So you can also withdraw from here as well. You can withdraw your funds from here. You know, you can withdraw your funds from this same interface too. So it's pretty basically simple, regarding the margin, futures, fiat, savings. You don't need all those ones for now. You can just leave them out. So I guess that is all for this overview. In the next lesson, we'll be learning how to place a trade on the mobile phone, and learn other things as well. Thank you for joining me, and I can't wait to see you in the next class. Thank you.